Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this pocket knife multi-tool, and it looks like it should be like 16 different things or something. I think is what it said in the book. But let's see on the book, on the website. And it's by WEARXI, W-E-A-R-X-I. And if I can open it, I'll show it to you. Oh, here we go. So here we go. So in there we have the box. We have a little paper that kind of explains, I guess, all the different pieces and parts and screw bits and things. So this is all the stuff that it comes with. And then some warnings and whatnot on the back. So let's check it out. So here we go. We'll open it up. So here are the bits. They're in a little plastic thing. Let's see what we got here. So we have a couple of different ones here. We've got kind of a little hex bit. Few different ones of those, three different types of flatheads and 3 different types of Phillips ones, and then a single socket, so you only get that one size. And then the knife, yep, nothing else in the little pouch. Nice little pouch, kind of got the little snap on it. And then here's the knife, so it's got the fold out kind of thing going on. Let's see, how does it work? Oh, like this. So we can fold it up like that, and so we have a set of pliers. And it's got some spring to it, so it's kind of springy pliers. We have, let's see, I think that's about all I get from it being open. Okay, so let's close it back up here a little bit. And then what do we got? This one here. What is this unscrewed to be? There's this little screw part here. Oh, it's got some batteries in there. Let's see if I take the battery. They had a little cover over the battery, so let's see what we get here. And there is a little flashlight. So you unscrew it a little bit and you get a flashlight. Screw it in and it turns it off. Very cool. We have the big blade here and it snaps into place, which is nice. We have, I guess I'll just open them all up, make it easier myself. Let's see, this next one here is a saw blade. This one here is a little can opener or bottle opener, something like that. This one here is, oh, it's another bottle opener with a, I don't know if you can see it there. It's like the file kind of thing, file. And then we have another little can opener, different with a little screwdriver on the top of it. So that's what's going on over there. And then, so we have all those. And then on this side here, we have the socket one here. So I guess this is how we'll put the, so we put this onto here, and then the little screws fit into there. So that's how we can use a screwdriver from that. So that's kind of cool. So it comes with the little apparatuses for that. It's got a little bit of grease on it. I guess they greased it up before they put it in. I don't know if you can see it, but that's that. And it looks like that's all these features in here. Let's take my flashlight. I don't know, maybe I have to unscrew it a lot to make it, yeah, I'm gonna unscrew it to make it turn off. It was on, so that's it here. So these are all the little features, and it's a nice knife and little set, very nice and convenient, and goes back in the little box here. Let's see, what do I see in there? Oh, it's got like a little side pocket. I guess that little side pocket is where these screw bits and stuff go in there. And then the other part goes in the front, like that. And then we clip it back up, and we are good to go. And it's got a little belt clip on there, so you can carry it with you. So nice, it'd be great for camping or for just having. And it's this one right here, the pocket knife by WEARXI. So very cool. So thumbs up for me on this. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.